Hello, welcome back to Blake's Den. Very quick video for you today. I am going to see if I can get my Turner Ranger tractor running. So if you don't know what one of these is, I'll put a link up below now so you can see my previous video on this. But essentially it's a four-wheel drive, four-wheel steer tractor powered by a 1098 A series engine, which is mid-mounted under the cover. This hasn't run in over 6 months, 7 months. It was running fine last time I used it. But yeah, I need to pull it out of the garage because I need to pull the Land Rover in here to do some work on that. So let's see if we can get it started. First thing I need to do is check the fuel and check the oil. So all the gubbins are under the engine cover, which is also the seat. So there you got the A series engine, same as what's in the Mini. So side mounted radiator, there was actually a rear mounted radiator and I've just blanked it off with a bit of card. And then this is the fuel tank, which is from a Leyland 154 tractor. So we'll have a pier in there. Yeah, we've got a little bit of fuel in there, so it should run. And we'll check the oil on the dipstick. So the dipstick is here. Oh yeah, plenty of oil on that. That'll be fine. So I'll plug that back in. So I have converted this to electronic ignition. There's another video of that. I'll put a link up above as well. So I think we're ready to try and start this. Just brought you around the other side. That's a fuel filter I fitted there. So it actually has no fuel in it at that point. So the fuel pump will have to obviously pull all the fuel through. So it's going to take quite a while to crank it. Also as well, I don't have a choke cable attached. So I need to manually operate the choke, which is on the carburetor, and I'll just put some roll grips on to hold that on. I've had the battery on a trickle charger pretty much all winter. I think the battery isn't that great in this, to be honest. But let's get this disconnected and then we'll see if it'll crank. So looking at the controls here, so that is the ignition kill switch. So down is kill, up is run. And then that's key. So that's ignition on. So you'll see there that the battery voltage should start to go very slowly. Trust me, that is going. It's just super slow. There you go. So now I'm going to crank it until the fuel gets through to that fuel filter and through to the engine. So it might be a bit noisy, but here we go. So I'm just going to leave that for now. We'll come around here and check the fuel filter. So yeah, we've got fuel in the fuel filter now, so a little bit more cranking and we should be good to go. Oh, nearly. A little bit of throttle there. So it does have a hand throttle this, so I can set the power. I think I might have that too rich, so I'm going to adjust the choke. So with the choke adjusted, we'll try again. Sounded promising. So that's not wanting to go, so I suspect what I've done now is flooded the engine. That is, spark plugs are too wet, so let's whip out the plugs and we'll see what it looks like. So that's one plug out. You can just see how it's really badly suited up. So I'll quickly wire brush that and then hopefully we'll have a runner. So yeah, all of those plugs were completely suited up, very black. And one was incredibly wet with petrol, so I definitely overfueled it. So I'm going to try now with the choke off, and let's see what happens. So ignition on, crank. Well, as you saw there, it started and ran fine, and turned it off, ready to pull it outside, and battery's flat. So as expected, the battery was weak on this, and I think it needs a new one anyway. So I need a new one in my mini MPI, so I'm probably going to cascade that down to this one. But what we'll do, we'll let that charge up and we'll give it a bit of a run. It's running quite well now. I've pulled it out and parked it next to the Land Rover, and you can see the size difference between the two. And now it's back in the garage. I was going to put the Land Rover in here. Turns out it doesn't fit. So that's going to make it fun when I get round to changing the radiator next week. So I'll leave that one there. Just a quick short video today. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for more exciting vehicle projects. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.